Boeing Private Business Jet Charter Flight Service aka BBJ aircraft aviation plane. This Boeing business jet interior is the most highly desirable and able to carry 16 passengers with approved crew rest to help you get to your next destination. A forward galley, main cabin lounges and aft cabin dual staterooms was meticulously balanced and fashioned to capitalize on the purpose of the aircraft, maximum range and comfort. 3 distinctly separate cabin areas flow together seamlessly while providing complete privacy and space from each other. Other interior highlights include maintainability, reliability, the latest technology in satellite communications and easily upgradable internet connectivity infrastructure. Increased cabin soundproofing for a silent in-flight experience. Boeing Aircraft Lower Cabin Altitude Service Bulletin, SB 21 to 1149. Modification for a well-rested body after a maximum range flight at altitude. Legendary Boeing BBJ cabin size. Forward entry hall, main cabin seating, main cabin forward lounge seating, main cabin conference/dining table seating, main cabin, looking forward, main cabin aft lounge seating, aft cabin hall, guest bedroom, master stateroom, master bathroom, master bathroom shower, main cabin guest bathroom, service galley, and crew rest area.
Go to wysluxury.com/location to book your next private jet charter flight service near you if you want to manage your time properly.